Evaluate 1 and 7/10 minus 3/4. Whenever you subtract a mixed number and a fraction, I like to turn both things into improper fractions. So turning that 1 and 7/10 into an improper fraction is not bad. Multiply the whole number out in front to the denominator, so 1 times 10 is 10, and then add that to the numerator. 10 plus 7 is 17. So 17 becomes your new numerator, and 10 stays your denominator. Minus, now 3/4, leave it that way. Nothing to do there, leave it. Now, I need to find the least common denominator. If you're not sure how to find out the least common denominator, it's not that bad. You just write out your denominators, 10 and 4, and you write out the multiples until you run into a number that appears in the same list twice. Now let me start out with the 4's because I have a feeling I know the powers of 10 pretty well. So the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So listing out the multiples of 10 are going to be 10 and 20. So since 20 appears first in both lists, 20 is going to be my least common denominator. How do I turn 10 into 20? Multiply by 1, 2. If I multiply that 10 by 2, the denominator, I have to multiply the numerator by 2 as well. How do I turn a 4 into 20? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 times 5. I have to do 3 times 5 because whatever you do to the denominator, you do to the numerator as well. Now I multiply everything out. 2 times 17 is 34. 2 times 10 is 20. Drop down your minus sign. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. Now whenever subtracting fractions of the same denominator, subtract the numerators. 34 minus 15, if you're not so sure, go off to the side. 34 minus 15, 4 minus 15, can't do it, so let's borrow from you, make you a 2 and make you a 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. And we end up with 19 as our numerator. 20 stays as our denominator because whenever you subtract or add fractions of the same denominator, you keep the denominator the way it is. You can't simplify that. That's already a number smaller than 1, so I don't have to worry about crazy mixed numbers. That is going to be my answer, 19/20.